Welcome to the Side Hustle Revolution. Today, I'll show you how to earn $500 a week with no skills, just time and strategy. First, online tutoring. Platforms like VIP Kid or Proply pay $100/hour for math or English. Teach 5 sessions weekly and you're at $500. Next, freelancing. Design logos, write copy, or code websites. Fiverr and Upwork pay $50, $150/hour. A graphic designer named Sarah earned $2,000 in a month by freelancing 10 hours weekly. Third, dropshipping. Sell trendy items on Shopify. Products cost $10, sell for $20, profit $10. Use AliExpress for low prices. A dropshipper named Alex made $500 in 2 weeks by selling vintage jewelry. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Promote products via YouTube or TikTok. Earn 10% commissions. A YouTuber with 50K subscribers made $500/month promoting fitness gear. Fifth, selling handmade crafts. Use Instagram to sell jewelry or candles. Price items 50% above cost. A crafter named Maya made $1,000 in a month by selling 100 candles at $10 each. Track expenses with Excel. Prioritize tasks, 2 hours on Monday, 2 on Wednesday, 1 on Friday. Consistency beats intensity. Start small, scale fast. You're not just working, you're building a side income. Ready to level up? Let's go.